Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best above-ground pools on Amazon. An above-ground pool is one of the best investments you can make for the summer season. Unlike an in-ground pool, it doesn't require any digging or complicated installation. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Intex Easy Set Inflatable Swimming Pool. For those of you on a limited budget, Intex Easy Set pools offer the best value. For a more than decent price, you can buy a high-quality pool for the whole family to enjoy. And, since it's an easy set pool, it means that no complicated assembly is required. This model comes without a frame, and all you have to do before filling it with water is inflate the top ring. It's one of the easiest above-ground pools to use and can be ready within 15 minutes. However, don't let this fool you. It's a full-size pool with a 36-gallon capacity that allows plenty of splashing around. What we like about it? Quick and easy 15-minute setup. Freestanding without a frame structure. Laminated PVC walls keep it stable. Can be drained with a regular hose. The powerful pump keeps the water moving. Number 2. Intex Metal Frame Pool. If you want an extra tough pool that is easy to assemble, the Intex Metal Frame Pool is the one for you. The frame is made of steel tubing that clicks together for faster assembly, while the walls are made from laminated PVC that prevents puncturing or damage. On top of this, the smaller size of this pool makes it a great choice for families with kids. To keep the water clean, this pool comes with a 530 GPH crystal clear pump and dual suction outlets. The pump is equipped with replaceable cartridge filters that remove even the smallest particles from the water. With the included DVD, you can have this pool up and running in less than 30 minutes. What we like about it? Dual suction fittings for better water circulation. The drain plug is compatible with any garden hose. Shallow enough for children. Fault circuit interrupter for short circuit protection. Number 3. Intex Ultra Rectangular. The metal frame pool set design and great size make the Ultra XTR Intex swimming pool a fantastic choice. Its puncture-resistant triple-layer walls are supported by galvanized steel poles to make sure the pool remains stable and safe to use for many years to come. The whole setup process is finished within 60 minutes, and Intex gives you a great 2-year warranty on the construction. As for the features, the Ultra XTR pool comes with a dual suction outlet to improve water circulation. Paired with the included 1200 GPH filtration pump with hydro-aeration technology, you can rest assured your water is always sparkly and clean. What we like about it? Unique frame design improves stability and strength. Inner and outer powder coating makes it rust-resistant. Quick and easy to set up within 60 minutes. Removable ladder with slip-resistant steps. Metal frame pool set. Number 4. Bestway Steel Pro Rectangle Pool. The Bestway Steep Pro Above Ground Pool is a large swimming pool with a sturdy exterior and an excellent price. The shell of this rectangular pool set is made from 3 separate layers of PVC, giving them excellent strength. The inner layer is made of polyester mesh to provide a soft surface for you and your family to swim in. The shallow depth of this pool makes it safe for kids, while its easy setup, no tools required, promises you can have it up and running in no time. On top of this, it's also super easy to disassemble in the fall and packs small, so it's easier to store. What we like about it? Lined with comfortable polyester mesh. The metal frame pool is fully corrosion resistant. No tools are required for assembly. Great size for families. Number 5. Bestway Fast Set Pool. If you don't have room to spare and need a compact pool, the Bestway Fast Set Pool is probably the smallest inflatable pool for adults that you can find. With a diameter of 10 feet and a depth of only 30 inches, it won't take up much space regardless of where you put it. And, with its incredibly easy setup, all you need to do is inflate the top ring and fill it with water. Made from Tritic material with 2 layers of durable PVC, these above-ground swimming pools can easily withstand kids playing in them all summer long. Despite being small, the package comes with a circulation pump to keep the water clean and fresh. What we like about it. Self-supporting inflatable ring on top. A fantastic choice for adults and kids alike. Compact design for quick setup. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.